Welcome back, Team Sunny. It is your trainer, Mara, and today I'm gonna be taking you through a 15-minute mini stepper workout. We've got the ultimate combo today, cardio and core. We're gonna be moving on and off the mini stepper for some core exercises. So find some space, get comfortable, and let's get started. All right, so let's get started with our warm up here. Make sure you safely, carefully step up onto your mini stepper. And we're just gonna start by treading the feet. If you need to make any adjustments to your resistance, feel free to do so as you're getting the feel of your body, what you need today. Good, nice work, team. Off to a strong start. We're gonna keep the feet moving here, and we're just gonna get a little movement in for the upper body. So let's just take some arm circles, going forward. Whatever range of motion you need here, you can keep it small to start. And maybe as you get comfortable, you can go a little bit bigger with those circles. Staying supported in the core here. Good, and let's reverse the circle. So taking it back, opening up. Find the coordination here that works for you. The lower body and upper body moving together. Good, one more, and then we're gonna find our way off the mini stepper. Let's take it into a high plank. You can roll out the wrists a little bit. Setting it up, we're gonna shift the hips up to the ceiling and relax back to that plank position. Feel the core fire up here to find that strong plank position. Little stretch for the hamstrings as we push it back and up. Lower back and lower back down. Good. We're gonna go to a seated position. We're gonna find a boat pose. So feet off the ground. We're just gonna tap one toe down to the floor at a time. If you need to, you can support with those hands beneath your legs, holding onto the hamstrings. Otherwise, you can challenge that core stability here. Breathe. Hands can also be down for an option here. 3, 2, and 1. Nice work, team. Let's find our way back onto the mini stepper. Coming up today, as mentioned, we have the ultimate core cardio combo. So we're gonna be on the mini stepper for a minute. You'll have about 15 seconds to transition off the mini stepper and get set up to hit a core exercise for about 30 seconds. You'll have another 15 seconds to find your way on to the mini stepper. We're gonna do that for 4 exercises today. So let's get started. Moving those feet, we're here for a minute. Connecting to your breath. We touched on this in the warm-up, but just want to mention it again. You can always adjust that resistance for whatever you need here. Maybe you're going to focus on really hitting it hard with the core exercises, and this is your active recovery. Maybe you're looking for more of that cardio focus, so you're moving a little bit faster on the mini stepper. Maybe you want a little bit of both. Find whatever approach is best for you today. We're here for another 15, and then we'll make our way off the mini stepper. Nice work, team. You're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We've got 15 seconds, shake it out. First exercise on the docket is gonna be a boat pose extension to knee hug. It's gonna feel similar to what we just did in the warm-up. Let's follow along here. Lift those feet, extend it long, and then pull it back up. Extend and pull. I'm gonna show an option here. Leave that foot on the floor. Just a little more supported. Good, we're halfway through. I'm gonna show that full version here. Extend and pull. Breathe through every portion of the movement. Last rep. And pull. Good work, team. Making our way back onto the mini stepper. That's one down. We got 3 more to go. All right, here for a minute. Settling in, finding that cadence that's gonna work for you. Nice work, team. 30 seconds down, 30 to go. Whatever your goal is on the mini stepper, whether this is your recovery, whether you're trying to push it with your cardio, with your heart rate, tap into that. Make sure you're holding true to that intention you set for your workout today. Good, less than 10. We've got 3, 2, and 1. Nicely done. You can roll out the ankles. Next core exercise we have are alternating bird dogs. Opposite arm, opposite leg are gonna extend, and then come back to your quadruped position. Let's go ahead and get started here. And opposite arm, opposite leg. I'm gonna show a couple options here. You can go just the legs, or you can go just the arms. Feeling your core engaging, working to stabilize you here. Nice job, team. 1 more each side. And last one, relax. All right, back onto the mini stepper we go. Officially halfway through with your workout today. Another minute on deck. So team, whether you're going for that extra push on the mini stepper, whether it's a way to recover, no matter what you're using it as in your workout today, it's a great low impact way to keep moving, keep your body, keeping that blood flowing. Hang in there, last 15. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Making your way back off the mini stepper. Up next, we're gonna do body weight Russian twists. Follow along with me. I always really encourage going slow with this one to protect the spine. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna twist all the way to the side, take the focus with you, and I'm gonna twist opposite side. So your eyes will see the wall to the right, and then they will see the wall to the left of you. Good, team, already halfway there. One more twist each side. Good, team, and we're making our way back to the mini stepper. All right, 1 minute here, starting in 3, 2, and 1. Team, believe it or not, we only have 2 minutes left on your mini stepper. We've got a minute here. We have 1 more core exercise that I'll take you through. We'll actively recover, or again, if you're going for that extra push with your cardio today, you have another minute on the mini stepper to do so. And then we're gonna finish it out just doing the core sequence, 30 seconds with each movement, trying to transition as quickly as we can. Over halfway through. Nice work, team. We're cruising here. Down to our last 10 seconds. Keep stepping it out. Keep breathing. We wrap it up in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Find your way to the mat. We're gonna finish with some plank spiders. So you're gonna be supported, palms pressing into the floor. Same knee comes to same elbow. You can also take this from your knees. I'll show you how to do that. Let's go 3, 2, and 1. Right knee to right elbow, and take it back. Good, alternating every time. You can also take it from the knees. Still gonna get a lot out of it. Working those obliques here today. Nice work, team. Less than 10 seconds. Three, 2, and 1. Recover. All right, team. This is that minute on the Ministepper. If you're going for that push with it today, get those feet treading as quickly as you can. For me, I'm gonna use this as a chance to actively recover. I would encourage you to do the same because coming up, we've got a big push to the end of the workout. Again, at the end of this minute, we're gonna set the Ministepper aside for today and just really crush it with the core one last time. So we'll move through that boat pose, extension to knee hug. Then we're gonna take it into your alternating bird dog, opposite arm and leg extending. Then we have those twists side to side. And finally, we'll finish out with the high plank spiders going side to side. Last 15 here. So let's start to transition down. I'll be timing you through so you can follow along with me. If you want to move your Ministepper so you have a bit more space, feel free to do so. Taking off with that boat pose. 3, 2, 1. Let's finish strong today, team. That breath is a tool to power us through this fatigue. I inhale as I extend. Exhale as I pull up. Good, team. 3, 2, and 1. Alternating bird dog, set it up. And let's get going right away. Opposite arm, opposite leg. Try not to let your spine droop down toward the floor. Keep it lifted, keep it supported. 3, 2, and 1. Take it back. We have those twists side to side, nice and controlled. Nice long spine here as well. We want to make sure we're not sinking. Pick up creating space between your vertebrae. Good, one more twist. Let's finish out with the plank spiders right away. Same knee to same elbow. Here's the option from your knees. Sometimes it's better to go for that modified version and do it with proper form and really feel the full contraction rather than trying to go for the full version of the movement and hurting yourself or just not being able to properly engage. Almost there. 3, 2, and 1. You're done. All right, team, let's take a quick little arch here to lengthen through the abdominals. Catch your breath, tuck the toes, push it back. Give the head a little shake side to side to release the neck. Let's bring those feet underneath us here. Nice slow roll up to the top. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. all the things. Hit that notification bell so you know when we upload new content here as well. Drop a comment letting me know how that went for you, what was challenging, what was fun. I'd love to see how it went for you guys. Again, my name is Sunny Trainer Mara, and I'll catch you next time.
If you've enjoyed this workout, I invite you to follow me on the SunnyFit app. There, you'll find more classes from me. I teach Pilates, cycling, rowing. I'm on the treadmill. So come find me, plus me, and many more from all of our other amazing Sunny trainers. If you haven't downloaded the SunnyFit app yet, click on the link in the description below so we can work out together. Yeah? Yeah.